we are at 56 Boulton Row, which is in the small village of Newton, about 5-minute drive away from Unfurnished, about 15-minute drive away from Ulverston. So you've got a large front garden area. This is a 3-bedroom unfurnished property. And you have unrestricted parking on the street at the front. Small porch on the property which enters into an open plan lounge dining room. Now the landlord's just carried out some works to the property, so it has had some new carpets in places and decor. It's a gas central heated property. And this looks out over the front garden area. It's quite a spacious room. Nice feature window and dining area space. So this door leads out to the rear access to the property, and then you've got some understairs storage and a galley style kitchen at the back. Some decent storage under here. Your gas central heating boiler is located in the kitchen as well, so it's not in a bedroom. And there is a gas cooker. Plumbing underneath the worktop for a washing machine. There's also space for an under-counter fridge and freezer. Just come around. This looks out onto the rear back alley of the property. So it's a 3-storey property. Go up to the first level. So on the first level you have your bathroom and 2 bedrooms. So the bathroom's a really spacious size. There's some cupboard storage in here, and you have a thermostatic shower which is powered off the boiler over the bath. Good sized bath. And then the first bedroom we come to is the smallest of the 3. So you could fit a double in here. Would be a little bit of a squeeze, but it's either a large single or you could get it as a small, have it as a small double. And this is looking out onto the fields at the back. Beautiful day in Newton today. So on the front of the property you have got a really large double bedroom which you could use as a master, but the bedroom on the 3rd floor is also extremely large, so either could be the master bedroom. This has got integrated wardrobe storage. It's a lovely bright bedroom. And again, this looks out onto the front of the property. Some shelving as well behind the door there. Just a little view from the window. And then we've got a second set of stairs leading up to the second floor. So this is probably the largest bedroom. You have Velux windows. Velux window on one side and a main window on the other, looking out at the fields at the back. There's like a makeshift desk over here, a phone point underneath. Plenty of integrated cupboard storage. And then again, you see the view from the back. So if you have any questions regarding this property, if you'd like any further information or to arrange a physical viewing, please give the office a call on 01229 831111. If you'd like to see what other properties we have available, please visit our website, which is www.pclettings.com. You can also like our Facebook page, and you'll get regular updates of properties as and when they become available.